Hello everyone, my name is M. Nagas, MSBD, Mathematics teacher. So observe students, 4, the summation of 4 expressed in 3 times, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 3 into 4, and summation of 6 in 5 times, like this express 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 5 into 6. Same as it is, A can be expressed in n times. A plus A plus A plus and so on n times equal to can be expressed n into A, like this example. And also comes to the product side. So the product of 4 in 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4 can be expressed 4 cubed. And also 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 can be expressed in 5 times, 6 power 5. So this type of notation, and also observe one more example, A into A into A into and so on n times can be expressed as A power n. This type of notation is called as exponential notation or exponentiation. So here observe students, 4 cube can be read as cube of 4 or 4 cube. And also same as this. So 6 raised to the power 5 or 6 power 5. Observe here, in A power n, A is called base and the n is called exponent or index or power. Let us discuss about laws of indices. So, index plural form, indices, index singular, indices plural. So, observe laws of indices. So, first of all, A comma B let be taken, M comma N also. A comma B are rational numbers, M comma N are positive integers, where A comma B must not equal to 0. And first observe first law of indices. A power m into A power n equal to A power m plus n. Go for second formula. A power m whole power n equal to A power m into n. Third one, A into B whole power m equal to A power m into B power m. Fourth one, A by B whole power m equal to A power m by B power m. Don't read students, AM by BM, it is wrong. A power m by B power m is the correct pronunciation. And fifth one, A power m by A power n formula depends upon indices values like m comma n. So here observe, if m greater than n, A power m minus n. If n greater than m, A power m by A power formula is 1 by A power n minus m. If m equal to n, A power m by A power n equal to 1. And go for next formula. A power 0 equal to 1. The conditions apply here, where A is not equal to 0 comma 1. So why condition here observe? A power 0. So 0 power 0, it is undetermined forms, and 1 power 0 equal to 1, 2 power 0 equal to 1. So any value satisfied 1. That's why A is not equal to 0 comma 1. And seventh one, A power minus n equal to 1 by A power n. Test. Observe here, two terms are equal. Observe the equality symbol. And also base values are equal, exponents also different ways with it. So when two terms are equal, when bases are equal, exponents must be equal. Write in simple way, A power m equal to A power n implies m equal to n. Next one, observe this formula. Here bases are different but terms are equal, and also exponents are equal. So how can we pronounce this? When two terms are equal, if exponents are equal, then bases must be equal. In this, conditions apply where A and B values must not equal to 0, 1, minus 1. A, B is not equal to 0, 1 and minus 1. Next, A upon B whole power minus m equal to B upon A whole power m. If it is in negative exponents, so interchange the numerator and denominator, automatically exponent value convert into positive. Next formula, minus 1 whole power even number equal to 1. For example, minus 1 whole square equal to, if it is even number, minus convert into positive. If you take minus 1 whole power 4 also, it becomes 1. That's why we conclude that minus 1 whole power even number equal to 1 and minus 1 whole power odd number equal to minus 1. Observe students, A power m whole power n, A power m power n, which is the greater value? So, I explained which is the greater value for taking one example. So, here observe, A replace 2, m replace 3 and n replace n taken. So, 2 cube whole power 4 and 2 power 3 power 4. So, we know that A power m whole power n equal to A power m into n. So 2 cube whole power 4 can be written as 2 power 3 into 4, which implies 2 power 3 4 jar 12. And comes to this side, 2 power 3 power 4 equal to. So here 2 power 3 can be expressed in 4 times. So 2 power 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, then which implies 2 power 3 3 jar 9. 9 3 is 81, 81 3 3 is 9, sorry, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So by comparison of both, so 2 power 12 is less than 2 power 81. This is the subject student, this is the main difference between A power m whole power n and A power m power n. Observe the question students. Express the numbers in the product of primes in exponential notation. So first number is 96 and second one is 2250. So this number, first we will take prime factorization method like this, 96. So which is the least prime number? Yes, we know that 2 is the least prime number. First let me take 2. So 2 4 j 8, 2 8 j 16. Next also 2 24 j 48. Next 2 12 j 24, 2 6 j 12, 2 3 j 6. So observe here all are prime numbers. Therefore 96 equal to 2, here 5 times is there, 3 1 time is there. That's why 96 equal to 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. As this same comes to second problem, 2250. So first let me take 2. If not possible, go for 3. If not possible, go for 5. So first one, let me take least prime number is 2. So 2 11 25 is 2250. Next, this number is not possible to express in 2. That's why we go for next prime number is 3. 375 is 1125. Next 125 is 375. So 125 is not expressed in as a base 3. So go for 5. So 525 is 125 and finally 5 5 is 25. So 2250 equal to 2 1 time into 3 2 times and 5 3 times. Observe second question, second model. Express the numbers in power notation. So first problem, 27 by 125. So 27 can be expressed as the base 3, that is 3 into 3 and 125 can be expressed in as a base 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 here 3 times, 5 also 3 times. So which implies 3 cube by 3 cube upon 5 cube, which implies here the index value is same. So index as the common factor, finally 3 upon 5 whole cube. And comes to second problem also as it is same. Here negative number is given, minus 125 by 343 equal to minus 125 also can be expressed in 3 times of minus 5. So observe here, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 equal to minus 125. So 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 343. Here minus 5's are 3 times is there and 7 also 3 times is there. So it becomes minus 5 by 7 whole cube. And comes to third model. If minus 4 whole cube into minus 4 whole power 7 equal to minus 4 whole power 25, then find a value. So first analyze the problem carefully. Here either right or left sides base values are equal. Here also minus 4, here also minus 4. First comes to LHS part. So here this value is related to one formula, one law of index. Which law? That is a power m into a power n. We know that a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. That means adding the indices values. So minus 4 whole power 3 plus 7 equal to minus 4 whole power 25, as the same expressed in RHS part. Next one, 3 plus 7 value equal to 10. So minus 4 whole power 10 equal to minus 4 whole power 2a. We know that if two terms are equal, when bases are equal, exponents must be equal. So 2a equal to 10. Strike off 2 ones, 2 5s. So finally a equal to 5. So observe students, very important problem in that. Find the value of 4 power 0 minus 3 power 0 into 6 power 0. So we know very well in law of indices. So a power 0 equal to 1. So here what they given according to the problem, 4 power 0 minus 3 power 0 into 6 power 0. So 4 power 0 value equal to how much value? It becomes 1. So 1, 3 power 0 also 1. So 1 minus 1 into 6 power 0 value also 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So 0 into 1. 0 into anything, it becomes 0. Next, go for another problem. If 4 power x equals 64, then find the value of x. So here 4 power x equal to 64. We know that, observe left side, here base is 4. So 64 also can be expressed as a 4. Is it possible or not? Check it. So 64. 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24 and also 4 4 is 16. So 64 can be expressed 4 cube. So 4 power x equal to 4 cube. Here two terms are equal and also bases also equal. So if two terms are equal, when bases are equal, exponents must be equal. Then x equal to 3. Students, we learned laws of indices and how to express in exponential notation like this. I gave 3 problems. So do in your house carefully. So first problem is, if 5 by 2 whole square into 5 upon 2 whole power a plus 5 equal to 5 upon 2 whole power a, then find a. Next, if 3 power x equal to 270, then find 3 power x minus 3. And third one, if 5 power x equal to 1000, then find number 1, 5 power x plus 2 and 5 power x minus 3. Thank you students. Thank you very much.